Alright YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave, like always, and you found do it yourself, do it right. Well, I'm a Ford hat on, got the old girl out of the garage on this rather windy autumn day. There's a local, small, little local car show going on today. It's Sunday. Football Sunday, I should add. Up at the Runnings parking lot in Gloversville, which is one town up. It's really the same town, they just named it another town. It's all basically connected. I don't know why it's got two names, but whatever. It's up there. Gonna wipe down the old girl because it's a little dusty from sitting in the garage from the last time that I washed it. Gonna wipe her down. Gotta go by the gas station because the gas gauge is reading E. So and I don't think that's E for enough. I think it's E for empty. So I'm gonna do all that, and you know, we're gonna cruise on up to the old Runnings, check out what's there. You know, this is gonna be the first time that this car has been out in New York since, I don't know, 2005, 2006. It sat for a while. So yeah, hopefully some of the guys can enjoy it as much as I do. Alright, so got gas at Stewart's. You guys don't know what Stewart's is. It's a, you know, chain gas station up here up north. Car's not running that great. Just kind of spit and sputter a little bit, but you know, hopefully that's because I was almost out of gas. I guess I'm just gonna stab her up on the old 30A and head up there. If you know, if she dies, well, hopefully we can you know, jump off somewhere, parking lot, I don't know. There's it's pretty there's a lot of stores and stuff and whatnot on the way. So you know, hopefully she doesn't die. She's sitting here idling pretty well now. All the gauges look good, charging. We got some you know, we got the oil pressures, we got the voltage, and we got temperature. So you know, it's not hot or anything, at least not yet. So let's you know, let's try it. Why not? You know, last time I drove it, I got stranded along the road. So well, hopefully we fix that issue. I think that was a vapor lock issue, and there's a link to that video around here. So let's you know, why not? Let's give it a try. Yeah, well, the brakes are still not good. Feels like she still wants to pull when I touch the brake. So I'm trying to use the brake as little as possible. Luckily, we're just going up to the next stoplight, and then we're turning right. All right, so we made it. I'm not gonna lie, driving this car makes me extremely nervous. I don't know if it's the possibly breaking down or if it's the sentimental value of the car or what, but man, I get so nervous driving this thing. So I'm gonna head over, donate my money, look at some of the cars that are here. There's a few, not a lot. I didn't expect a lot, but you know, we'll check them all out. That's an AMC Rambler Marlin. Now, I don't remember if you remember the last car show that I went to. They had one there. This is a different one. This is the second one that I've seen in New York. This is the second one I've seen ever. So Ah, New York must be a hotbed for Marlins. Look at that thing, man. That thing is beautiful. Black and silver. Got black and silver interior. It's a 4-speed. Man. We got a couple of trucks. Some Dodges. Oh, look at the Cougar. There's Cougar sitting here. I think the last Cougar I saw was down in Georgia. This one's a little nicer. Automatic. Got some cool fatties on here. It's green. And we got another truck. Dodge Adventure.
Yep, I got 2 hubcaps we put on there.
Oh, man, we got a fastback. It says GT350. I don't know if it's a real one or not. Could be a clone. It's automatic. It is a pretty car though. It's definitely a pretty car. It says Ford Mustang. I guess it's a clone. Still very nice.
That's when you guys going to give that to his son. Oh, he did? Oh, yep. Okay. It's actually. I mean,
Lots of trucks here today. That's kind of unexpected. Nice Chevy. 69.
nice. That's good.
Nice red. I like it. I like it a lot. And we got a Mustang and then another Ford. We've seen this Ford a couple of times. Got a nice split bumper up here. Oh yeah.
It's going.
Good, how are you?
Good.
Man, she's pretty. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you very much.
What year is it?
72.
72. Alright, now that there's nobody around the 429, you gotta get a load of it. Oh boy. You want to talk about a car. Look at this thing. It's got all the correct stickers. It's got the hood. Very nice. Very nice car. You can't see it, but there's a manual down in there. It's got the mag wheels. Boy, this thing is beautiful. Alright, get a load of that. They don't get much better than that.
Nice sunny day. But it's still nice. Yeah, it isn't bad.
Nice Malibu Chevelle. Very nice green. Nice interior, done very nice. I like that green. That green is beautiful. Nice Malibu. That just pops. Lots of Chevys, not a lot of Fords.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming again. Next year, you'll be more oriented. I've never put one together before, and I threw it together in a month.
Yet another Chevelle. Says it's a 396. 4-speed in there. Looks like it's in nice original condition. My kind of driver car. Looks very nice. Got the vinyl. I like the vinyl. You know, nothing too showy under the hood. You know, looks like it's been driven. And Buick GS. Look at the GS. 1970, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, oh, 72. This thing's got the cool tack on the hood. You can see it over there. It's got some restoration pictures. It looks like she was torn down. There's a tack on the hood. Pretty cool. Very nice. Nice car. Nice car. Alright folks, you know, pretty terrible at video, and when I'm at shows, I get distracted, but I won a trophy. The old girl won a trophy. It was actually the best in show trophy. Now, I will admit that there were nicer cars there. You know, I'm not gonna gloat or anything. You know, it's nice to win, but that Boss 429 Mustang should have won Best in Show. It should have won Best Ford. I don't know how that truck won Best Ford, but I'm assuming that people just don't know the rarity of that Boss 429. I voted for it for Best in Show. I didn't vote for it for Best Ford because I just figured that it was going to win either which one of the awards. So I kind of feel bad the guy didn't win anything, but you know, I spoke to the gentleman at length for a while we were standing there. He was parked right next door, and he is definitely a Ford man through and through. So, you know, I think he obviously understands, you know, you don't win them all, but whatever. You know, I shook his hand. I said, hey man, this trophy really should be yours because your car's, it's a, you know, his Boss 429 is just, you know, you can't beat a Boss 429. I just think that the people that were voting, because it was up to the general public who won, I just think that the people that were voting, they didn't know what that car was. You know, there's only 400 and something of those cars made, and you just, you know, that car is super rare. It was super nice, and it's worth a crap ton of money. Yes, you know, she's rare, she's nice, but she's not that Boss 429 nice. I just think that, you know, the people, you know, the people that voted, they just, you know, they just didn't know what he had. So, I mean, it is what it is. I'm glad to have a trophy. You know, it's nice. It's nice to take the car out, and, you know, I beat all the Chevys and all the Dodges and everything else that was there. I mean, Best in Show, you can't get better than that. So, you know, that does make me feel better, but he should have definitely won Best in Show. With all that said, you know, I have a picture. I'm going to post it here. That was me accepting my trophy. You know, I don't video the winning trophies because I don't typically win unless I'm with my bike. So anyways, that's going to do it for this, you know, short, you know, first show for the Ford in, I don't even know how many years. Probably 2006 was probably the last time this car has went to a car show in New York. And you know, first show, first win. You know, we're batting 1,000. You know, we're batting better than Judge right now. You know, Judge hit 62, but he didn't win Best of Show. So like you guys do at the end of all my videos, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell when you want to see my videos come out. And subscribe, you know, getting some good subscribers. And I think it's all have to do with this old Ford here. You know, people just love this car. And, you know, thanks a lot. And, you know, like always, till next time, thanks a lot.